Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Clever and SeeSaw and how to access the different activities that I'm posting there. Know that whenever I'm sharing something like a schedule or Zoom links, I will always email you that information as well. So if you're having any technical difficulties with SeeSaw, be sure to check your email to see if I give any updates that way. So what you're going to do first is get your QR code or your Clever badge and scan it. It'll then bring you into Clever and you want to choose SeeSaw. Once inside SeeSaw, your child is going to have a number of different classrooms. So they are going to have art, music, therapists, all different places. So we're going to go to Miss Palmer. And you're going to see the journal. So here you can hear what I have to say.
In the left-hand corner of the screen, you will find a link symbol. When you click on it, a title will appear that says Reagan's Weekly Visual Schedule 2020. Click here to have access to Reagan's daily and weekly scheduled activities.
And then if you click here on this link, you'll be brought up to this visual and you want to click it again. It will then bring you to the activity. So let's try another one. Same thing down here. You can listen to the directions.
In the left-hand corner of the screen, you will find a link symbol.
You can click the link symbol, which is right here. And again, click it one more time. And it will bring you in the activity. So I've posted things in a few different places on SeeSaw. So that's on the journal when you first sign in. There's then also activities. So for this one, you will see that in the directions it says this is a landing page which can take you directly to each scheduled activity. It is a fluid working document that will be edited. It is not an activity to be completed, and please do not click add a response. So what we're going to do is click right here. It says click on the weekly visual schedule. And same thing, you're going to click the link and it'll take you right there. Same thing with the next activity. It says click on the Zoom links visual right here. Click the link symbol and it should take you right there. If for some reason these links are not working, please let me know. There may be some issues with the iPads and SeeSaw linking that information. So please just let me know if you have any questions about that. Thanks for watching.